it's Natalia. I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be another wig reinstall. The wig that I'm using is the Wig Dealer's wig in the exotic curly hair, and the length is 20 inches all around. So originally this wig was installed for my birthday by my friend Lex Up Next on Instagram, but of course wigs get old, you gotta wash it, do all that stuff. So I wanted to reinstall and I wanted to film it again since it did so well. So right now I'm just taking some makeup. I mix a darker and lighter color because personally I think wigs lay the best when you use a darker shade on the lace. Personally is what I think. When you really match or do lighter, it looks really weird to me, but I love doing a darker tint on the lace. So I'm just applying that with a regular fluffy makeup brush and just getting that everywhere so that we could have a good and great foundation for when we're ready to get really into it. Now it's time to get that part crisp. I like to use a really thin rat tail comb because your part has to be straight. Like, it has to be crisp, it has to be on point, it can't be lean, it can't be crooked. It gotta be, you know what I'm saying? I had to zoom in so y'all could really see, like, even though the time is sped up, like, I really took time. As y'all can see, this clip is long, but I wanted to give you guys the most realistic process and not cut too much stuff out so y'all could really see like what goes on. So right now it's still glue in the wig a little bit from washing it, but that gets combed out. But I'm really just finding my baby hairs, finding the part, making sure the part is in the middle of the baby hairs, making sure the baby hairs is even, the same amount of hair, all of that stuff, because nobody wants lopsided looking hair. So this is very important to really, especially reinstalling a wig, finding everything again is the most important part, because you want it to be the same install. You don't want it to look like it's a whole new wig or it look worse. Like, everything is laid out. It's really just a puzzle piece, going back and finding the part, going back finding the baby hairs, fixing the part, and really paying attention, paying close detail to get everything perfect. So this is my little thing. As you can see, there's it's not gap, but my part looks wide. My knots were a little bit over bleach, as you can see, but there's nothing that some good old mascara can't fix. I really don't like the hairspray technique. I feel like it's a little harsh. I feel like with mascara it still is blended and kind of like, it can still give that scalp look. So I'm just taking some mascara and really getting it into that part, and as you can see, the part is just coming together. So one thing that I noticed, like, my part wasn't getting crisp and thin, and it was because I was too hesitant to get really close to that part. And you really got to get close to the part because you want to get all of those little hairs. And as you can see, once I really went in there and got close, the part really came together. So now I kind of messed up my baby hairs and finding them, so I'm just getting them re-orchestrated to press with the edge booster. This junk, goated. It's perfect, it's inexpensive. I like the Care one, but it's too high for me personally. This one, it do the job good. So I just put that on my part, and I take my comb and I comb it in real good. Then I take my hot comb, as you're gonna see in a second, and I press that in really good, and I do the same thing to the baby hairs. This wig it kept sliding. Somebody send me some doggone T-pins, okay? Please. The hot comb that I'm using, I actually got from the beauty supply store, and it was about $22, something like that. And when I tell you, it was definitely worth the investment. Before this hot comb, I had the other one, like the real cheap one that it just click on and off. There was no dial. Trash. Get a one that you can control the temperature. After I use the hot comb, I spray a little bit of a light holding spray, because I feel like it just keeps it real flat, and you see it gave her a little shine, and I like that. Now we really about to get into the baby hairs and really getting that right next to this part, going back. I like my hair to go back and then down to the side. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But like I said, I'm gonna get that edge booster stick, go back, and I'm gonna comb back. That's how I like my wigs to be. I don't like them to be flat on my head. I like there to be a slight lift right here, because you need to see my edges. You need to see the baby hair. Like, this is a lot of work going into this. You're gonna have to see every little detail that I'm finna do to this wig, okay? So the wig on the baby hairs on the right side were plucked a little bit differently than the left side. So here I was really trying to get them to be as even as possible. So it took a lot of like finessing and finagling it to where it could look or appear even. So y'all gonna see me cut more baby hair and just really try to figure it out, because I like the baby hair to be very equal. I know it can't be perfect, but I like it to be as equal as possible. So right here, I'm really taking my time to get, you see, I'm really, like, I'm dead for real, trying to get this to be even and looking right. Honestly, that long piece of hair right there, it could have been pushed back, looking at it in this perspective, but I make it work. Stick with me right here. Don't see where I'm at right now. Just check me out. But look at that part though. Hold on. What did you say? Look at that part though. Right here, I'm flipping them with the flat irons, getting it real, bro. When they started this trend, perfect, because once you do that, and then it's time to put that little bit of edge control, and then you swoop, easy. I don't know why I ever tried to do baby hair. It's just straight raw, no freaking flat iron. Dumb. This is the only way I would ever do my baby hair, is like fresh, because it makes it so easy and it looks so cute in this stage. I really want to perfect like really soft baby hairs, but not today. I was not, at this point I was ready for this to be over. But Now here I'm gonna cut a little bit. I'm gonna press that back, and I'm gonna cut some more baby hairs on the side, just to give myself some more extraness, because y'all know I'm extra. Hey y'all, now y'all see my face. What's up? So now it's time to really install this wig. I'm doing a glueless install, no glue. Y'all see what I use in a minute, but I'm using these two powders to now put makeup on top of the lace. We've already put makeup inside the lace in the beginning, but it's really important to also apply some powder on top of the lace. I do not recommend using foundation or concealer on top because I feel like it looks very gummy and it just don't look right. I feel like powder gives a real flawless, airbrushed look. So y'all see there, I had grabbed a hairspray and a comb. I tried to do that with baby hairs because I had seen on a YouTube video that's how they do like the very soft baby hairs, but that junk wasn't working worth nothing. I tried the generic hairspray. I also tried Got To Be. It wasn't working. The best thing that really got it, as you see, I tried it Got To Be just there. It did not work. I had to go after this video in with some edge control, a very, very tiny amount, and that was the best thing I could have did. So I really recommend only using edge control, really. Just save yourself some time. So for my glueless install, I'm using the Ebin hairspray in the yellow can, obviously. The red can was out of stock at my local beauty supply store, but the yellow can is amazing, so I can only imagine what the red can is capable of, because that's supposed to be stronger, and I really like the yellow can. So I'm just doing my final touches before I lay my elastic band over it to really melt everything down. So now it's time to get into styling the length of the hair. So I'm going to use this Pantene conditioner just a little bit with some just plain water and spray my hair very wet. Then I'm going to take some mousse and really thoroughly apply the mousse to the hair and use this wig shine that I got. All this stuff I got from the beauty supply store. I really like the Lotta Body foam because it's not drying, it's very moisturizing, And I like the Wig Shine spray, or the oil-free Wig Shine, is because it smells amazing and it gives a great shine to the hair as well. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side of the hair so it can be equal. When I tell y'all, I absolutely love this hair. I love this hair. It's so easy to maintain, as you can see, like to style it. Not hard at all. I learned this trick actually installing it this time. I was like, let me see what this will do. And I really like flipping the brush like that because it really clumps the curls together and it dries so pretty. So pretty. Like as you can see, like it gives like a little bit of like ringlets on the ends, and I love that. It's so cute, especially once it dries. Y'all, this video about to go make me wash my wig now, because it's been a minute since I really washed it like this. But yeah, so freaking cute. I love this wig. This is my hair. I wanted to come back and show y'all what my hair looked like once it's dry. Hope you guys enjoyed my video of me reinstalling this wig. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the next video. Talk to y'all later.